Hey! What's happening, guys?
How is it, mate? You alright?
Good to see you. Are you good?
Good to see you, Tilly.
Good to see you.
So what I need is for you to basically just clean up this fade. I want it to be looking as fresh as possible. I've come to the best in the business.
What are you thinking, man?
So Luke, as before, just like really sharp, I'd say 0.5 around the sides like you did before, and quite a high fade. I don't like that line effect through here, so take it off the corner.
I'm very particular about barbers. You've got to be good at your job and also not waffle rubbish, because I can't deal with people just chatting rubbish in my ear.
Don't you cut your own hair?
That's why.
Right.
But if I do have to get someone to cut it, you're near top of the list. He was already booked by him. I'm joking.
Does this have to be a good cut that I give? Does this have to be decent?
Jez, talk to me. Favourite hair product in the shop?
Oh mate, all day long Johnny's Chop Shop grooming cream. It's unbelievable.
Yeah?
Yeah, what about you?
I'll go for the Wildcat hair clay. For me, the texture. You know, we film all day, we're running about getting sweaty, but the product stays in your hair, it keeps a good texture, keep it looking good. It's so important for us because we're always active, always outside, always filming. Our hair just don't get seen on that day and that's it. The videos live on forever, right? So, so important for us to stay on top of it. Do you know what I found as well with every single barber? If you go to them for the first time, they always slaughter the last cut you had. They're like, who done that fade? I bodged it up. I'm like, well, that was you last time. You forgot me.
Yeah. All right, I've got another question for you guys. If you could cut anyone's hair in the world, who would you choose and why?
Oh, that's a good one.
Donald Trump.
You'd mess him up, wouldn't you?
I just don't think you could make it worse.
That's very true.
What's your best barbershop experience, Bill?
I've just been coming into here so easy. The guys are super cool. Always understand what you want and are willing to adapt if you want to change anything after the cut. So the whole experience is enjoyable, you know.
It is definitely a 5-star service in here. I'll give you guys that. You feel the love in here. You just feel like that attention to detail's there. Not just trying to rush you out your chair and onto the next customer to get another pound note.
Cool, so shall we go for the grooming cream?
I'm interested to see how you apply this, Tilly. I normally just rub it into my hands and then just rub it in the hair and just hope for the best, and it usually comes out all right.
The best.
But
Well, it depends what kind of finish you want to go for.
Just do whatever you think is going to look stylised and stylish.
So this is how on Afro-Caribbean hair I like to put the product in, because you find you get kind of a textured finish at the top. It's kind of like, you know, you were saying you have a sponge but your hair's a bit too long.
Yeah.
So this is perfect because I'm just using my hands, so it kind of gets a nice finish on top. It kind of gives a bit of definition to the curls.
So this is the Wildcat hair clay. It's kind of nice and natural looking.
Yeah, I love this stuff. I like the smell of it as well.
How
It
come
smells
I don't
decent.
get that auxiliary massage? It's like a nice add-on.
Mate, you don't tip enough.
Guilty as charged. Good point, well made. I don't take it on board.
Cool. All done?
Oh yes.
Luke, absolutely love it. You've smashed it once again. Give me a spud. Thank you so much, mate. Love it.
Nice job, Till.
Top that work.
Never in doubt, never in doubt.
Looking sharp, Jez?
You too, Bill?